Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now the tea for today, guys, is Uchidima Adetshina. You know, Minister Gayton McKenzie mentioned that he is going to do some research. He is going to come back to us. I don't know, maybe he is the one who went to a Home Affairs to tell them to do some digging, because yes, it has been proven that Chidima Adetshina is not South African, guys. She is not South African, but they say that it is not her fault because apparently, allegedly, her mother is suspected of identity theft, guys. It is said that her mom stole somebody else's identity so that she can get a South African ID for her child. Okay, so this is believed to be something that happened a long time ago, I think 2001 if I'm not mistaken. So but they can't blame Uchidima because 2001 she was still an infant. So to blame her, then it doesn't make sense because she knew nothing about it. But now as you grow, I think you do realize there's something is smelling like a fish here, but yeah, I guess she thought maybe people won't find out. I don't know, because even the names in Ayasho Uguti, she is not South African, but we couldn't judge before we saw the proof, right? So the controversy surrounding Miss SA South Africa 2024 contestant Uchidima Adetshina has taken a shocking turn. So an investigation by the Department of Home Affairs has revealed that the 23-year-old's mother may have committed identity theft. So now there are reasons that exist to believe that fraud and identity theft may have been committed by the person recorded in the Home Affairs records as Chidima Adetshina's mother. This is what was said by the Department of Home Affairs, right? So now they got Chidima's consent to make the, to check the records and all of that, and then they also got her consent to verify her citizenship. So I guess she agreed to it because initially she thinks she was born in South Africa. She is South African because, as they say, Uti, she was still young. So now her nationality came under scrutiny shortly after she was announced as a top 16 contestant. Social media users have questioned if Chidima, who reportedly has a Nigerian father and a South African mother with Mozambican root, should be a finalist, right? And guys, so this means that her mom is not South African. That is why they suspect some identity theft in Tonton. So now the Miss SA indicated that Chidima, who was born in Johannesburg, holds a South African citizenship and therefore qualifies for the pageant. So this was the investigators of Miss SA, the panel or organizers, I don't know, but people from Miss SA and Tonton, And then now Home Affairs says the identity theft allegedly committed by Chidima's mother may have affected a local woman. Guys, when you, maybe example, you go to borrow money from Mashonisa, they have your ID. They can do anything with that ID. They can take someone and say, example, they can even go and marry at Home Affairs with your ID when ID, or maybe you lost your ID somewhere. So this is what happened. Mamaga Chidima Adetshina was pretending to be someone else so that they can steal somebody else's identity, So now this was an innocent South African mother whose identity may have been stolen as part of the alleged fraud committed by Adetshina's mother, and this person, Manje, has suffered as a result because she could not register her child. Wow. Wow, so someone must suffer for you to get what you want. And Mama Adechina, where are you? We need a statement from you, because now apparently Adechina's mom is being investigated, guys, and they are also investigating people in the Home Affairs, people who worked during those days. They are investigating them because they suspect this was an inside job. So they are still investigating, guys. They are still investigating, and if she is indeed found guilty, Mama Adechina, she is going under the jail, guys. She's going to jail because this is just so not on. So it's a lot. I'm just wondering, the celebrities that were siding with Uchidima Adechina, what are they saying now? Like, do they have anything else to say just to justify what they were saying? Because kushubile, guningi, but kushubile, and it's still going down because they are still doing investigations further. And guys, another thing that they said is that they also went to where she says Uti she was born, even the neighbors in Soweto, because they say Uti she was allegedly born in Soweto. Now that's what she knows. When they went there, the neighbors can't even recognize, or they don't even know them there. They don't even know that these people really stayed there and don't own. So now the department say that they will press criminal charges against all implicated parties when the investigation is completed. And Uchidima's father should not be forgotten in all of this, because Naya, he is guilty, guys. He lied during the people. He lied during our faces and during our eyes, and said that my child is South African. So I'm just wondering, Naya, are they going to investigate him now? Because Umamaga Chidima didn't do this whole thing alone. She didn't do this thing Angie alone. No ways, guys. There is absolutely no way that she did this all alone.